16-inch wheels at both the ends, all metal bodywork. Now that is all quite interesting, including the name itself, RUV, Riders Utility Vehicle as BGauss likes to call it. So the RUV 350 is the latest electric scooter to hit the Indian market. Now you might be wondering what BGauss is and how to pronounce it. So it is pronounced as BGauss. Previously, I used to think that it is pronounced as BGauss, but BGauss it is, and it is another brand under the huge umbrella of RR Global, which has also given us RR Kabil. This is Anand Pandey from BBC Top Gun Mag India, and the agenda for today is to find out what the RUV 350 is all about. The RUV does look attractive and has its own unique stance. The 16-inch wheel setup does make it stand out, but that's about it. The rest of the scooter looks utilitarian at best, with build quality that wasn't so impressive. Even the underseat storage is only big enough to store one half-face helmet. The RUV 350 gets a 5-inch TFT screen with a unique UI and layout that might take some time to get accustomed to. It gets turn-by-turn navigation and other connected features, while it also gets 3 ride modes: Eco, Ride and Sport. This electric moped derives its pace from a 3 kWh battery pack, which is rated at 165 Nm with an ARAI claim range of 135 km. BGauss claims that the real-world range of the RUV in the Eco mode is 120 km. We rode the RUV in the close confines of their manufacturing plant, and one thing that impressed us the most was the throttle calibration. It is on point and devoid of any jerks. The progression from standstill in sport mode also felt sprightly, as EVs usually go. But this strong progression lasts only till 60 km per hour. After that, the RUV takes some time to clock its speedo indicated top speed of 75 km per hour. If thrill is what you seek, look elsewhere. The suspension setup is tuned towards slightly stiffer side because it fails to iron out bumps completely. It doesn't crash over bad surfaces, but a little more plushness would have added to its comfort levels. The 16-inch wheel will definitely assist in dealing with undulations. Since it gets 130mm drum brakes at both the ends, the braking performance and feedback is decent at best, not too confidence inspiring. Now the build quality, that is a major concern here because there are uneven panel caps. The switchgear's quality could have been improved by a fair margin, and right now it doesn't look like it is going to stand the test of time, but BGauss is saying that the production spec variants are going to be better in terms of build quality, but as of now the build quality is a major concern here. I really like the way the scooter looks though. So if you're looking to buy a unique electric scooter, the RUV 350 can be a consideration because, like I said, there's nothing particularly wrong with this electric scooter. The throttle calibration is nice, it rides in a decent manner, so you can take a look at it. If you can look away from the negatives that I've mentioned, including the build quality concerns. This is all, folks. This is Anand Pandey from BBC Top Gun Mag India, and if you have any questions regarding the RUV 350 left in your head, just drop them down in the comment section below and I'll get back to you with all the right answers. I'll see you around.